Senate President Cheese Escudero says the impeachment court can decide by a simple majority of votes whether to dismiss the case against Vice President Sara Duterte or not. In a press conference on Wednesday, June 25, Escudero states that any motion made should be decided upon by a simple majority or at least 13 votes. When asked whether or not the impeachment case can be dismissed based on Duterte's answer ad cautelam alone, he says it is within the realm of possibilities.
Posible yon, pero ayokong pangunahan ang impeachment court. Simple majority ang kinakailangan sa lahat ng botohan, 2/3 ang kailangan to convict or acquit. But it begs the question, kung may simple majority ka to dismiss, for example, then imposible ka na maka 2/3. Hindi ba?
Later in the presser, Escudero was asked if it is possible for the case to be dismissed without going through a formal trial. The Senate chief answers that everything is possible. According to Escudero, any member of the court has the right to make a motion based on their beliefs and it will be put to vote.
Lahat naman pwede. Tandaan nyo, pakitaan nyo ako ng batas, ng rule na nagsasabing bawal itong motion na to. Wala namang bawal na motion eh. Wala namang bawal na kahilingan eh. Wala namang bawal pag-usapan eh. Karapatan ni numan na hilingin base sa kanyang paniniwala, anumang nais niyang hilingin. Kapag yan ay gusto niyang pagbotohan dahil may nag-object, edi pagbobotohan.
The senator judges took their oath and subsequently agreed to convene into an impeachment court on June 10. Senator Bato de la Rosa initially made a motion to dismiss the complaint case against Duterte, but Senator Alan Peter Cayetano amended the motion to return the articles of impeachment to the House of Representatives without dismissing the case. Meanwhile, Duterte sought the dismissal of the impeachment complaint in her answer ad cautelam sent to the impeachment court. She argued that the complaint violated the constitutional provision limiting the filing of impeachment against an official to once per year.